Welcome to our channel. If you want to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and prevent problems like incontinence, follow these essential steps. Step 1. Identify your pelvic floor muscles by stopping urination midstream or tightening the muscles that prevent passing gas. Step 2. Perform Kegel exercises by contracting these muscles for 5 seconds, then relaxing for 5 seconds, repeating 10 to 15 times per session. Step 3. Do 3 sets of Kegels daily, gradually increasing contraction time to 10 seconds as muscles strengthen. Step 4. Practice proper breathing during Kegels, avoiding holding your breath, and ensure you're not tensing your abdomen, thighs, or buttocks. Step 5. Maintain a healthy weight as excess weight puts additional pressure on your pelvic floor muscles. Step 6. Avoid heavy lifting or use proper technique by engaging your core and pelvic floor before lifting. Step 7. Treat and prevent constipation by eating fiber-rich foods and staying hydrated to avoid straining during bowel movements. Step 8. Consult a physical therapist specializing in pelvic floor therapy if you experience incontinence, prolapse, or pelvic pain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.